the moment, tonight is the night.
Hey guys, it's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with another video on Bitcoin. I'm actually decided to make a video on Bitcoin just to see where it's headed, because obviously we know that when Bitcoin drops, everything else basically drops with it. All the altcoins go down with it. So based on the structure, this looks pretty bearish. I highly doubt that it's gonna it's just gonna spawn a green candle here, but we might be wrong. There's some indicators and technical analysis that I'll do, and we can kind of see where it's headed. So first and foremost, I do want to say that the fear and greed is at 35 out of 100. So I believe that means that we are in fear, which is theoretically a good buying opportunity. No, I guess not yet, because you really want it to be in extreme fear. That's when it's good. Anyway, no news, nothing like that. I mean, obviously, there's any sort of catalyst, or the U.S. government isn't all of a sudden using Bitcoin as a firm currency. So until there's any sort of new news like that comes out, it's just really up to retail investors and people that originally started Bitcoin for the price to make the price go up. Anyway, let's do some technical analysis. I am going to do USD. So basically, I guess you take your fib on the macro perspective from your high to your low, and yeah, the 236 couldn't hold, I guess. I guess let me redraw this, kind of make it, give us like a little bit more targets to kind of work with. Okay, so I guess the 236 is at around 23,500, so that needs to hold. If it doesn't, then we're looking at going down to this, to the previous low, which is around 15,000. And I think that if that happens, we're definitely going to hit 11,000. On the upside, if we somehow manage to get back up, we need to get over 31,000, which we've tagged. I believe we tagged once, twice, 3 times. So it is interesting to see what happens. Now, as far as the indicators go, I always look at the RSI and the stock RSI. So the RSI is obviously extremely oversold. Is this yeah, the daily RSI is extremely oversold, which means that, to me, I think that means that we're probably gonna get, it's like in the red. I think theoretically we should get actually some move up, and the stock RSI also reset, which is a good sign, but anytime it's down here, it means it's extremely bearish. So theoretically, if you were accumulating, this would be a good time to buy. Anytime that it like hits this bottom of the channel, again, I said this on my Dogecoin video, that's like when you want to buy. You don't want to just go in blindly. You need to have a plan. So whenever the daily RSI, from November 2021, every single time it's dropped, here's 34,000, here is 25,000, here is, we did that, here is 17,000, over here is 18,000, here is 15,000 again, yeah, so 15,000. And then obviously we saw sentiment change right here, where we did tag it, and the price is all of a sudden higher. That's when you know that there's a flip that's happening, just FYI. Seems like we're making this giant megaphone channel. That's funny. Anyway, so like I said, I mean, it seems like we are extremely oversold here. We're more oversold than we have been since this drop right here, where it's like red. That just means that theoretically, the price could go up from here, which statistically speaking, it should go up from here. We should have some sort of recovery happening. So theoretically, if you buy now and say, Bitcoin goes back up to 28,000, then that's when, theoretically that will reset that will allow Bitcoin not to be oversold and stay down here in these levels. Other than that, on the downside, again, we need to hold 23,500. If we don't, then we're going to 18. and if not, then we're going back down to 15, and if we do that, then most likely we're going to 11. So that's just worst case scenario in my just my what I'm looking at and what I'm seeing. Anyway, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you want me to look at your coin. So sometimes I get coin requests. So if you want me to look at your coin, even though you've already probably asked me before, like people have asked me DYP and what's the other one? DYP and Pangolin. Just please comment on my latest videos and let me know to look at your coin, and I will. Also, please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 106 right now, so about a little bit, 10% of the way there. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, and let me know if you want me to look at your coin.